Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anand Lavingya, practicing company secretary of the company. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all at the third annual general meeting of the DP Abhushan Limited. Hope all of you are safe and in good health and wish you all to stay that way. Due to social distancing consequent to COVID-19 pandemic, we are holding this annual general meeting through video conferencing. Today we have with us our respected Chairman and Managing Director, Sri Vikas Kataria ji, Whole-time Director, Sri Santosh Kataria ji, Non-Executive Director, Srimati Renu Kataria, Independent Director, Sri Deepak Gadia, Chairman of Audit and Stakeholders Relationship Committee, Sanskar Kothari ji, Chairperson of Nomination and Remuneration Committee, Sri Mukesh Jain, Chief Executive Officer, Sri Amit Bandi, Chief Financial Officer, Sri Vijesh Kasera, Statutory Auditor, Sri Jeevan Jagetia. As requisite quorum of members is present, 25 members are present. With the consent of Chairman, I declare the meeting to be in order. I would like to inform that members who have not voted through remote e-voting can cast their vote through e-voting facility during the AGM. The e-voting facility has been enabled for shareholders to vote during the meeting, and the same shall be available till 15 minutes after the closure of meeting. मीटिंग बंद हो जाने के बाद भी 15 मिनट तक ये फैसिलिटी शेयर होल्डर के लिए चालू रहेगी. The board of directors has appointed me as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the vote cast during the meeting and the vote cast through remote e-voting platform of National Security Depository Limited NSDL. The register of directors and key managerial personnel, register of contract, and all other documents referred to in the notice are available for inspection in electronic forms. Members may inspect the same by requesting the company at cs@dpjewelers.com. I would now request our chairman Sri Vikas Kataria ji to share with us overall performance of the company during the financial year 2019-20. Before transferring dials to our beloved chairman and managing director Mr. Vikas Kataria, I on behalf of entire DP family wishes him a happy birthday and stay healthy and safe. So we all on behalf of DP family wishes you a happy birthday. Now I'm transferring, without taking much of time, I'm transferring this dials to Vikas Kataria ji. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Anand ji. Thank you for birthday wishes. Welcome all of you for third annual general meeting of DP Abhushan Limited. Dear shareholders, it gives me an immense pleasure to place before you the third financial statement of your company for the period ending 31st March 2020. The company came into an existing from 2nd May 2070 through conversion of partnership firm MSDP Abhushan under the part 1 of chapter 21 read with section 366 of Company Act 2013 and brought the most successful initial public offer of 59,32,000 equity shares of 10 each at the premium of 18 in the year 17-18. It is matter of pride and pleasure to inform you that in spite of slowdown of economy, regulatory reform, trade wars between various countries, and spread of COVID-19 pandemic, your company has made turnover of rupees 808 crore for the financial year 1920 and as against 812.13 crores in previous year where EBITDA was 33.10 crore as financial year 1920 as against 27.90 crore in the previous year. The growth of this year is 18.65%. The performance was possible due to effective cost management, better price realization and aggressive marketing campaign. ये हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि आपकी कंपनी ने इंडस्ट्री में कई ऐसे नए पैरामीटर बनाए जो अभी तक इंडस्ट्री में किसी ने नहीं किया, लाइक पर शोरूम वाइज सेल, कस्टमर फुटफॉल, टर्नओवर रेशियो, जो कि ये डीपी आभूषण ने नए क्रिएट करे हैं पूरी इंडस्ट्री में. I feel very satisfied to inform you the stubborn decision of management to increase inventory at low at inventory at price at the low price. जब भी ये प्राइस कम थी तब मैनेजमेंट ने डिसीजन लिया कि हमें इन्वेंट्री बढ़ानी है, तो ये काफी एक अच्छा डिसीजन मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से रहा है, जो मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ. DP Golden Locker facility to convert old jewelry into new design jewelry under advanced jewelry booking facility has been revised. Received good response from the customer. The spellbound performance of Golden Locker scheme is 300% in terms of number of customer, number of value, number of volume. So हमें Golden Locker scheme का काफी अच्छा response मिल रहा है. In continuation of maximizing performance, your company को कई सारे अवार्ड मिले हैं. लास्ट ईयर जो हमने परफॉर्म किया उसके बिहार पर हमें बेस्ट ब्राइडल डायमंड ज्वेलरी ऑफ द ईयर 2019 का अवार्ड मिला है. बेस्ट रिंग ऑफ 2019 का हमें अवार्ड मिला है. स्पेशल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड एंड बेस्ट लाइफस्टाइल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड इंदौर 2020 भी डीपी आपी की कंपनी को मिला है. एंड मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन प्रिंट एंड मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस ज्वेलरी ब्रांड ऑफ द ईयर इन मध्य प्रदेश एज अ रिकॉग्नाइजेशन फॉर ब्रांडिंग एंड मार्केटिंग प्रैक्टिस. सो ये काफी सारे अचीवमेंट आपकी कंपनी को मिले. जैसा कि हमने लास्ट एजीएम में प्रॉमिस किया था कि आपकी कंपनी जो कि 80 वर्ष पुराना ब्रांड डीपी ज्वेलर्स अ बॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रस्ट सिंस 1940 जो
विकास जी आप म्यूट हो गए, अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को.
ओह सॉरी. सो जैसा कि हमने लास्ट एजीएम में प्रॉमिस किया था कि आपकी कंपनी जो कि एक 80 वर्ष पुराना ब्रांड डीपी ज्वेलर्स अ बॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रस्ट सिंस 1940 जो मेनली एमपी और राजस्थान के टियर 2 और टियर 3 सिटीज में अपना शोरूम ऑपरेट करती है. हम कंपनी ने 12 अगस्त 2020 में अपना नया स्टोर उज्जैन में ओपन किया है और उसी क्रम को हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए राजस्थान के बिलवाड़ा में भी हम नया स्टोर ओपन कर रहे हैं. दोनों स्टोर हमारे प्रोमिनेंट लोकेशन पर है, शहर की प्रोमिनेंट लोकेशन पर है. बिलवाड़ा वाला स्टोर हमारा लगभग 4000 स्क्वायर फीट का आ रहा है और उज्जैन में हम 2200 स्क्वायर फीट का स्टोर हमने ओपन किया है. सो ये गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आपकी कंपनी का लगातार फोकस टियर 2 और टियर 3 सिटीज में है. हम एमपी, राजस्थान और हम गुजरात में भी हम अपने स्टोर्स की संभावना देख रहे हैं. गुजरात में हम लोग दाहोद, गोधरा, बड़ौदा तरफ हम लोग टियर 2, टियर 3 सिटीज में हम लोग सोच रहे हैं स्टोर करने का. और नए शोरूम की ओपनिंग के साथ साथ ही हम समय को देखते हुए जहां पेंडेमिक चल रहा है और सारी चीजें ऑनलाइन मूव हो रही है, तो ई कॉमर्स की तरफ भी हम अपना फोकस बढ़ा रहे हैं. आपकी कंपनी एक नया ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म लेकर आ रही है, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अ डिजिटल बिजनेस ब्रांड, जो कि एक नया ब्रांड होगा. तो ये हम लोग लेकर आ रहे हैं. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic are less in cities where companies has its showroom as compared to big cities where its peer have their showroom. Further, due to good rain and fast growth in rural economy, the business in tier 2 and tier 3 cities will pick up very fast because of their proximity and connectivity with rural India. Before I conclude, I would like to place on record that my heartfelt gratitude to all employees, our sincere thanks to bankers, NSE and all our shareholders who have extended their valuable support. Thank you. Now, I request to Anandji to take up the further proceeding.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your kind word and the various announcement. Now we are starting with the moving forward with the business agendas for the meeting. We have total 5 business agendas to be transacted as per the notice. In case if any shareholder has any question or queries on any agenda item, then they can write us in the chat box facility, which is enabled for the shareholders to raise such questions as queries. We shall reply to the same after the closure of the meeting. Since the notice is circulated in advance, it is proposed to take it as read. Hence, with the permission of shareholder, I take the notice as read. I now take up item number 1, that is adoption of the audited financial statements for the financial year ended on March 31st, 2020, and reports of the board of directors and the auditors thereon. The director report and the auditor report are already circulated in advance. It is proposed to take them as read. Hence, with the permission of the shareholder, I take it as read. Second business, which is reappointment of Mrs. Renu Kataria, who retires by rotation and being eligible, offer herself for reappointment. Third business, which is to appoint Mr. Deepak Gadhia as non-executive independent director of the company. Fourth business, which is to revise in remuneration payable to Mr. Vikas Kataria, chairman and managing director of the company. Fifth business, to revise in remuneration payable to Mr. Santosh Kataria, full-time director of the company. Further, since none of the shareholder has registered himself as a speaker or raising a question during the AGM, we have already muted all the shareholders attending this AGM. However, for effecting participation or one-to-one communication with your board, we are again allowing shareholder to ask the question to panel member, board of directors. We request all the shareholders to raise their question one by raising their hands. We will unmute such shareholders accordingly. DAS is now open for question answer session. If any shareholder have any kind of question, they can raise their hand. Our technical team will unmute that shareholder. They can raise a question and respective people, respective panel member or a board of director will answer the same.
Yeah, Mr. Vijit, you can raise the question. Mr. Vijit Ramawatji, you can raise the question.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations for a very good result of our company year by year. Profit growth year of by 40%, and our company grow CAGR 3-year growth is 50%. My question is to Chairman, can you give me some more detail about our e-commerce platform?
I would request our CEO, Mr. Amit Bandi, to address this issue. This question, Mr. Amit Bandi.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm sorry, I'm unable to put on my video. No, I'm on. Can you hear me, sir? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Amitji, you are audible.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. And I take up this question, very interesting question of Vijayji. So as we all know, we are into jewelry fraternity, jewelry business since last 80 years, and we have established a solid credence, the two keywords, trust and loyalty of the brand. And so how DP Jewelers is, moving towards the further progress, growth and expansion. At this stage, when we all have seen, a pandemic effect across the globe, not just the country, we have also observed, the key learnings in the trade that people are moving online. As a brand, we have been working since last 1 year that somehow we should also step into e-com. Somehow it could take time, but during pandemic, we had done our groundwork for the e-com platform. Just to elaborate that how we are going or we are looking at e-com market today, we have seen 2-3 major brands who are dealing nationally when it comes to jewelry.
Amitji, sorry to interrupt you, but now you can start your video. Our technical team has assisted for the same.
Okay, I'll answer the question. So विजय जी, हम लोग ई-कॉम प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम लोग बेसिकली सारी चीजें अभी ऑनलाइन मूव कर रही है, तो हम लोग भी ई-कॉम पर जा रहे हैं, और ई-कॉम पर बेसिकली हम लोग गोल्ड, डायमंड एंड सिल्वर, और हम लोग लोअर टिकट साइज हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारे मेजर फोकस रहेगा 10,000 से लेके 25,000 तक के हम लोग प्रोडक्ट इसमें रखेंगे, जो कि बेसिकली गिफ्टिंग आइटम रहेंगे, और लो टिकट साइजेस की 9 to 5 जो वुमेन्स, जो आज की नई जनरेशन है, जिनके जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करती है, उन्हीं को हम लोग टारगेट करते हुए हम लोग इसको प्लान
ओके, थैंक यू।
जी सर।
हाँ, मैं अपन क्या आपको मैं उसको ऑनलाइन पे अभी है क्या आप ऑनलाइन पे? एक मिनट,
I request all other shareholders to mute their audio. I request all other shareholders to mute their audio. Those who wants to raise a question, please raise your hand. Our technical team unmute the same.
Hello. Now, Mr. Amit, you can raise the question. Mr. Amit.
Mr. Aswin has raised their hand. Our technical team, NSDL, Mr. Aswin.
Just a Yeah, Mr. Ashwin, you can raise the question.
Yeah, hi. This is Ashwin Porwal. मैं जानना चाह रहा था कि हमारी जो टोटल सेल्स है, जो टॉप लाइन है, उसके अंदर डायमंड का सेल कितना है, परसेंटेज वाइज कुछ रेशो है हमारे पास?
हमारा डायमंड का सेल लगभग 9% जैसा हमारा डायमंड का सेल है।
ओके, और फ्यूचर में आप कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज जो हाई क्लास कस्टमर्स होते हैं वो मेजरली फोकस्ड होते हैं डायमंड के पर।
तो we are targeting this year, हम लोग को इसको कहीं भी 15% के आसपास हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं, कि we are trying hard कि हमें इसको 15% के आसपास हम इसको ले जाना चाहते हैं।
तो इसके लिए कोई प्लानिंग है आपकी, मतलब आप क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं इसके लिए?
इसके लिए हम लोग मार्केटिंग कैंपेन हम लोग प्लान करते हैं। इसके लिए हम छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स प्लान करते हैं जो डायमंड सेंट्रिक्स होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग फुटफॉल बढ़ाते हैं स्टोर के अंदर।
चैट में नाम था।
ओके ओके,
और उससे हम लोग कन्वर्जन बढ़ाते हैं।
फाइन, थैंक यू।
Yeah, Mr. Mukesh Kataria ji, you can raise the question.
हेलो हेलो
You are audible, sir. You can raise the question.
हेलो व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन प्लान और हाउ मेनी न्यू शोरूम विल कम नेक्स्ट AGM?
तो
Hello?
मुकेश जी, हाँ मुकेश जी, आपका क्वेश्चन सुनाई दिया है। आप पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारा एक्सपेंशन प्लान क्या है?
या
जी, सो हम लोगों का एक्सपेंशन प्लान, हम लोग अभी नेक्स्ट मंथ में हम लोग भिलवाड़ा स्टोर ओपन कर रहे हैं। प्रोबेबली अक्टूबर लास्ट वीक में ये स्टोर ओपन हो जाना चाहिए, और नवंबर में हम लोग कोटा स्टोर के साथ में आ जाएंगे, नवंबर एंड तक।
हेलो हेलो
हेलो।
Yeah, Mukesh ji, I think your question is been answered by the chairman. If any
Okay.
other question is there, you can speak. Otherwise, we can take the question from other shareholder. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Dharmanshu Shah, you can raise the question.
ओके नो एनी क्वेश्चन।
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
So currently you are on the SME board, and you can go to the main board now that 3 years or so are complete. So what are your plans in this regard?
सो ग्रेट, मुझे बताने में अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मेन बोर्ड के लिए एप्लीकेशन फाइल कर दिए। सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम लोग नेक्स्ट मंथ में NSE पर आ जाएंगे, माइग्रेट होकर NSE पर आ जाएंगे।
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
थैंक यू।
Hello.
Amit ji wants to ask.
Yeah,
something.
please, Mr. Amit, you can raise the question.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. I want to ask how much advance tax you have paid for this year?
This year, advance tax we paid 2 crore 85 lakhs we paid this year. As comparatively, अगर last year से हम लोग compare करें इसको तो last year we paid 2 crore 10 lakhs for half yearly. So almost 75 lakhs हम लोगों ने इस साल ज्यादा पे किया है. Almost 29% हम लोगों ने ज्यादा पे किया है tax अभी तक वहाँ से. So
Yeah, Mr. Rahul Gadia, you can raise the question. Please unmute yourself. Mr. Rahul, please raise the question. I think he is not able to speak. There is some issue. So all the shareholders who had given in the chat box, we had taken their question. If anybody is there who wants to raise the question, please put in the chat box. Otherwise, I can ask Mr. Anand to proceed the meeting. Okay, thanks a lot. Mr. Anand sir.
Thanks everyone. So once again, reminder for voting. The e-voting facility has been enabled for shareholders to vote during the meeting, and the same shall be available till 15 minutes after the closure of the meeting. It means कि जैसे ही आपकी मीटिंग पूरी हो जाती है उसके बाद भी 15 मिनट तक आप लोग आपका वोट कास्ट कर सकते हो. Further, if any shareholder has any technical issue for casting their votes, they can raise the query in chat box. Our technical team is available for assistance. So as all the agendas and all the question answer has already discussed, so I would like to thank all the shareholders for sparing their valuable time for this annual general meeting. Thank you so much. Thank you. तकरीबन अभी 15 मिनट तक अपना वोटिंग फैसिलिटी चालू रहेगा. जो शेयरहोल्डर को अपना वोट कास्ट करना है वो कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
क्योंकि देखो अभी